Hey, it's John Henny. Let me ask you a question. Do you dread Zoom meetings? Do you feel that when you're in person, you can engage with people and they pick up on your energy and you can be convincing? But as soon as you're on Zoom, as soon as there's this camera between you and the other person, it all falls apart. It all just feels kind of bleh. Well, the mistake I see people make is they are capable of charismatic energy when they're talking to people in person. And they feed off the energy of that person. But when they get in front of a camera, all of a sudden that energy contracts. And they start to talk a little more monotone. Maybe the eyes go a little fuzzy and they wander a little bit. And yeah, I'm supposed to speak towards the camera and I'm kind of looking there, but I don't really like this. Well, what you need to do is extend your energy to the camera. Include the camera in your energy. And you know what that's like. When you're at a party and you're talking to someone and you feel someone else come over and you really don't want to talk to them, you can cut your energy off from them, or you can allow your energy to be expansive. Even before you turn to them, they get the sense that you're open to them. I want you to extend that energy to the camera. The camera is not this interloper. It's not this third wheel that you don't feel like talking to. The camera should be your friend. The camera should be a long lost friend that you're very excited to talk to. And so what I want you to do is in your space where you have your Zoom meeting, I want you to look at every corner of the room. And I want you to think about filling your energy to every one of the corners, to encompass the room with your energy. And then let the camera be part of that. Don't cut the camera off. Keep the camera a vital part, and your Zoom meetings will be much better. People will be more engaged. And it's a funny thing. They can feel your energy across country in another part of the world, just as you can feel the energy in a recorded performance or feel the energy in an actor's performance in a movie. They'll feel your energy. The camera is your friend.